Hello and welcome to Gathered.how. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart. To get started, all you'll need is a piece of paper that measures 24 by 16 centimeters. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half along the vertical and press the fold with your fingers to make a crease. Now unfold the piece of paper. This is called a book fold. For the next step, fold the paper in half along the horizontal and again press the fold with your fingers to crease it and then unfold. Now you'll need to fold the piece of paper diagonally and upwards so that the bottom of the vertical crease meets the horizontal crease at this point. Now, the next step is to take this bottom edge and fold the bottom edge upwards into a valley fold along the crease line. Fold the top left edge back on itself, again along the crease line. So you'll see those two diagonal edges meet up and you're starting to form the bottom point of your heart shape and 2 points in the left and right edges. So it's these left and right sides that we're going to look at now. Take that point along the right edge and fold it inwards to form a little triangle about 1 centimetre, fold it inwards by about 1 centimetre so that that point faces towards the central line of the heart. Repeat this on the other side of the heart, again folding in a triangle by about 1 centimetre so it points inwards towards the central line of the heart. As you can see, your heart is now taking shape. Now unfold that point that you just folded inwards and then tuck it inside the heart to neaten the two edges. You've now starting to form the origami version of your curved left and right side of your heart. Now we'll look at the top of the heart. Fold the top 2 points up and forwards so that they're pointing downwards, again by about 1 centimetre. Your heart should look like this now. Now take the front piece of paper of both these two triangles, unfold that triangle that you just folded and then fold it back on itself. Your heart is now complete. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our guide to how to make an origami heart. Go to gathered.how to find the full step-by-step guide to this project, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our upcoming series of craft videos and free projects for all the family.